Hey.
My name's Reggie, by the way.
You don't get it. They're fattening us up so they can eat us.
I guess it's just you and me.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Listen up. Reggie's been right all along.
Give him Reggie!
We gotta stick together.
Thank you all for being here today.
Or was
I
I?
came to this humble family farm for one of my favorite presidential traditions.
Daddy, it's this one! This is the one I want right here!
Wow.
This is your Barton turkey.
And that's Paul. He's getting a divorce. Hey! And that's the girl who... But don't tell anyone. Birdie.
Ah!
None of these people know that I was an undesirable child.
What is it?
I wanted people to rely on me. I wanted to be needed.
I know exactly how that feels.
This is your destiny.
What?
Hey.
Please don't hurt me.
I don't know who you are. We're going back in time to Fortnite. That's right. We're going back in time to
Fortnite.
Who are you talking to?
this guy right here.
Aww. I've come back from the future to tell you something really important. What is it?
Delicious pancakes.
Should we report this? Too much paperwork. Let's roast them.
Oh no!
Go, go, go!
Go, go, go!
There they are.
Chrononaut 1, are you ready to be the first human being to travel through time?
He'd better be. Chances of survival are almost zero. Come on, Steve. Let's go.
Ah, come on.